I was mowing for a friend of mine the other day, and I hit a big rock while mowing, and I'm saying probably at least 8-incher, and it spitted out the front of the mower. I wondered what the heck happened, and then I saw that big rock spit out, and I didn't even see it. But you're right, it didn't mow right after that, so I took my lift and hooked onto the mower and lifted it up. Yeah, this mower's supposed to be able to unlatch right here. There's a lever, and you pull something in back to release the belt to take it off, but then you're supposed to grab right here, and this mower flips right up. But you know what? I'm not strong enough to do that anymore. So what I've been doing with this old Boss XL country clipper is just taking my engine crane like this, raising it up. Let's see what we have underneath. Looking at this blade right here, that one looks pretty good. But if you take a look at that center blade, it's kind of a U shape. So let's see if we can't get that off and check it out. Oh boy, always something to fix, isn't there? I wonder if we can take that over to my press and straighten that out. Put it in here and make sure always take a little past as to let it spring back, and we'll take a look at this. See how much that sprung back? That didn't straighten any, did it? So let's do that again. But let's see how much that springs back. Boy, that's good steel. I may not be able to get this straight enough. That really helped it, but it's still got a ways to go. Let's put this end in right there now. How do I want to do that? Let's do it like this then. And pump right there. I have some extra blades over there. Probably should just use one. I may yet. But I'm going to show you how I straighten these old blades out. Look at that. Can you see that? That's just about perfect on that side. and it's almost perfect there. But look how dull that is. That's really boogered up. Rock did the number on it, so let's take it over to my grinder and see if I can't get that cleaned up a little. I have a real treat in store for you, but and what it is a company recently sent me a new balancer just to test in my shop. I'm going to use that for the first time today. FridayParts. I've never really have come across that before, but I'm going to share a link for this balancer and the website for FridayParts if you're interested in a nice little balancer. It's always good to have something like that. Boy, I really butchered that blade right there. Oh boy. But that's the way it goes. It's helping it some. But I believe I'm going to get the file and take some of that off first. Let's see how this works. That's working good. It's getting there. Long way to go though. I'm not going to get it all out of there, but I'm sure helping it. You can see that right there. Sometimes I wonder if I'm not getting a little bit too old for this kind of work. I guess if I just keep moving, it'll be okay. I've been moving like this most of my life and always used my work exercise as an excuse to eat more. Am I the only one that likes to eat? Did I ever tell you how good of a cook my wife is? I'm not going to get that down where it needs to be. So let me get that balancer out and let's just see how this looks. Let's open this up and see what it is. I've never had this out of here, so boy, that thing's heavy. I'll get my blade out of the vise here and that's a magnet. You could use it like this, I think. Nope, maybe not. And it's got a level on it right here. Well, maybe not. I don't know what that's for. I have to figure that out. I'm talking about this right here. Looks like you fasten it to a wall. Let's see what this does. Definitely heavy on this end. Let me go file that some more and we'll come back. Now take a look at that. I knocked this corner down and now I took just a little bit too much off of it. It doesn't take much to make it move, so I'm going to leave it there. I think that turned out real well. FridayParts. I'll leave a link in my description and along with the information of this here blade balancer. If you sharpen blades, this is worth it. This is heavy duty. It works great. Let's put this blade back on, and then I have another surprise for you. FridayParts also sent me this torque wrench, and I want to see if I can figure out how to use it. Let's open it up. Take some batteries right in here. I just happen to have some. Ah. Help me out here now. That's foot-pounds. Now, how do you increase it? As I have need, I'll be showing you how to use this and how I figured it out in upcoming videos. But for right now, I think what we need to do is just get back to that mower and see if we can't get it to mow properly. Let's go ahead and lower this and see how it works. I do think this torque wrench is going to work great. I just have to figure out how to program it. I don't know that yet, but I'll get her figured out, and we'll use this later in the shop, and I'll tell you about it then. But for now, you saw that mower work. You saw how I balanced it. I'm promoting these products because a company sent them to me for free, and I told them I would. Friday products, I get paid nothing to do this. I just thought this was a good match for all of you who watch me. It's the only reason I do that. That along with other products that individuals sent that I'll mention on occasion here in this channel. How would have you fixed that mower blade? Would have you replaced it, or would have you straightened it? How would have you done it? If you like content like this, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Makes me feel good when I see people watching and subscriber rate goes up. Can it be fixed? Sure it can. Can you fix it? You're darn right you can fix it.